Epson has just released its premium Q-Series projectors, a lineup of high-brightness 4K laser projectors, positioned above the current LS11000 and LS12000. This new range is built for modern luxury homes and multi-purpose living spaces, where high-performance visuals are crucial, not just in dedicated dark cinema rooms, but in bright spaces too. These projectors, the EHQB1000, EHQL3000 and EHQL7000, are designed for large-scale installations, such as giant screen home cinemas, multi-screen media rooms, and even tricky placements where the projector can't be in the ideal position. Let's dive into these models and their best use cases. All three new models are available in black or white, with each model featuring Epson's advanced 3LCD technology with laser light source, delivering consistent brightness, vibrant colours and true-to-life images. A key feature across the range is the new Epson QZX picture processor. This processor optimises the brightness, colour accuracy and black contrast of each projector, displaying content exactly as the director intended. This level of image fidelity makes the Q-Series ideal for premium viewing experiences. Epson's 3LCD technology uses 3 chips, one for red, one for green and one for blue, avoiding the rainbow effect that's common with DLP projectors and delivering excellent colour brightness. The laser light source ensures consistent brightness and colour temperature across the projector's lifespan, and it's virtually maintenance-free, eliminating the need for lamp replacements. Starting with the QB1000, this model closely resembles the LS11000 and the LS12000 in chassis size and lens throw ratio, making it easy to integrate into existing installations. But it offers a major upgrade in brightness at 3300 lumens and is equipped with ultra black technology and the VRX cinema lens for outstanding contrast, colour accuracy and clarity. The QB1000 is also fantastic for gaming, supporting 4K HDR at up to 120 frames per second, along with auto low latency mode and input lag times below 20 milliseconds. This makes it ideal for serious gamers who want to take full advantage of next-gen consoles or high-end PCs. Moving up to the QL3000 and QL7000, these projectors stand out for their versatility and brightness, with 6000 and 10,000 lumens respectively. They're compatible with Epson's extensive range of professional lenses, offering virtually limitless mounting options, from the ultra-short throw of the XO2 lens to the extreme long throw of the 7.16:1 with the ELP LL08 lens. To put this in perspective, for a 4-meter wide screen, the projector can be placed anywhere from just 1.3 meters to as far as 28.6 meters away. Thanks to the QZX picture processor and advanced 3LCD technology, these projectors deliver vibrant and accurate colours, along with high contrast. They're an excellent fit for complex installations in large or unusually shaped spaces, providing bright and immersive visuals no matter where they're mounted. Since the QL3000 and QL7000 are sold as body only, it's essential to select the right lens for your setup. The throw ratio is the distance from the lens to the screen divided by the screen width. Once you know your throw ratio, you can select a compatible lens from Epson's high-precision lenses. AWE dealers can reach out to us for assistance with specific installations to ensure the correct lens choice is made. With these super bright projectors, far larger screens can be specified compared to normal home cinema. If we target an image brightness of around 30-foot lamberts, these projectors can comfortably support screen sizes up to 5.5 meters wide with the QL3000 and 7 meters wide with the QL7000. These figures assume a screen gain of 1 and are estimated using Projector Central. We're targeting 30-foot lamberts as it's over double the SMPTE standard of 14-foot lamberts used in commercial cinemas, and offers enhanced HDR performance with the ability to handle straight ambient light in spaces that aren't fully light controlled. But crucially, targeting 30-foot lamberts means the projector will maintain excellent brightness over time. Laser has a lifespan of around 20,000 hours. That's measurement to half brightness, so it will still exceed the commercial cinema standard of 14-foot lamberts right to the end of its life, ensuring a consistently bright and cinematic experience from start to finish. All three projectors are 4K and HDR compatible, with brightness levels that bring out the best in high dynamic range content. Combined with the lens options available for the QL3000 and QL7000, they're adaptable to almost any installation, regardless of placement challenges or image size requirements. These new Epson projectors are likely to be a top choice for high-end home cinemas. For more information or project-specific advice, UK dealers can reach out to their AWE sales contact and will be keen to help.